All right, 2014 Cadillac XTS. We're doing the struts. This does have the magnetic ride. Airbags in the back, coils in the front. I got the tool. I've had this apart before because I thought it was the strut bushings. And that's what these look like. They don't look like your traditional strut bushings. Because typically that's what rattles and makes noise, but it's not. These strut bushings were good. I had to order a strut. Cadillac wants like $700 for this thing. I called them, gave me a quote. They gave me the part number, which isn't the part number that's on here, and got it from Rock Auto. I'll put the link down below. So far I got the upper ball joint out. I'm trying to do this a little bit differently because this gets squeezed into here. And there's this bolt here. 18 millimeters, both sides, and that's what clamps it in the back. You can see the little gouge there. But what I'm doing is, you can see I've got about 3/8 of an inch. I'm just tapping it, and it's coming down. I still have the sway bar link and try and keep it up. Ball joint's loose, so I'm just trying to lower the entire thing down to try and get that out. Trying to just make the best of the situation. So let me try and get a bigger hammer, and we'll revisit this. Hey, well, I got it apart. I had to take those nuts off. Couldn't separate the ball joint. Took this screw out. That guy goes in there, but it did not. I believe, I'm not sure what that is. It might be a bolt. It looks threaded. Almost like you use a slide hammer to pull a pin out. I'm not set up for that here in my garage. This did slide out easier than I thought it would. I did not have to split it or put a wedge in there like this. I did not have to do that. But I did leave the strut in there just in case. Because like, I got my vise, but I don't know how well it would. I was afraid this was going to be seized on there because this is aluminum, that's steel, Midwest, you know. So we're going to take out the sway bar link and then take off the top strut, which is different than most struts. So I'll show you that here in a second. Hey, got the nut off. It is a 24 millimeter. I did not have one. I used a 15/16. What is that? Yeah, 15/16. I got it. So I'm gonna swap the cushion thing over, swap the spring. I'm gonna replace the bushing because I have a new one. Hey, update. Jeez. This flew back in there very nicely. You want to make sure it, let me turn the light on. This slides all the way into the bottom. You want to make sure it hits that, bottoms out before you clamp it. The clamp will be this one bolt back here. Yes, I did take the CV shaft out. That is a son of a bitch. I gotta put this back on. I set it there so I knew which way it would go. Don't forget the clip. And as far as the size of the socket, it is a 32. Shit. Alright. Yeah, don't forget that. Alright, we're back. We got it in. I had to take it back apart, put those two nuts back on. Yeah. You know how many times I've had this bottom bolt out? I will say it's been easy. The bushing looks like it's pretty worn out, doesn't it? Looks really worn out, actually. I wonder if that's the noise. I don't know. I give up on this thing. We'll have to investigate that further. So I got the strut in. I just realized that the strut does not move with the knuckle, spindle, what do you want to call it. Isn't that weird? Because most cars, this spins, but it doesn't. Alright, so plugged in the strut back in the sensor. What else we got? Make sure everything's tight. I gotta put this brake hose bracket. Oh, there, I forgot about that. That's concerning. I will have to look into that. Alright, let's get it back together. Okay, holy shit. It's in. Brand new. By the way, I hate these fucking lug nuts with the stainless covers on them. Fuck you. Oh, those things suck. Yeah, so this cover comes off. I thought that at first this nut was gonna make the spring explode or whatever, but this nut and the steel retaining ring sandwiches this. It's like that. So this is under here, the body, and then the strut shaft, once it's all assembled, goes through here, retainer nut. So yeah, I've never done one like this before, and I haven't seen a video like this on YouTube, so I thought I'd share my experience. So thanks for watching. We're gonna go for a ride. Hopefully it makes the noise go away.